Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change Ford Ranger brake pads. Begin by parking on level ground and setting the parking brake, then chock the rear wheels. Loosen lug nuts while the truck sits on the ground, then raise it with a jack and secure it on jack stands. Always allow brakes to cool, wear eye protection and gloves, and keep a drip pan for brake fluid nearby. Remove the wheel next to access the brake assembly. After loosening lug nuts, lift the Ranger with a jack and place sturdy jack stands under the frame rail. Fully remove lug nuts and take the wheel off, laying it flat on a clean surface to avoid dirt contamination. Inspect the tire and wheel for damage while you have access, and keep lug nuts in a labeled container so none go missing. Follow step by step to swap the brake pads with confidence. First, remove caliper guide bolts and carefully hang the caliper using a bungee or hanger so the brake hose stays unstressed. Slide out old pads and clean the bracket with a wire brush, then compress the caliper piston evenly with a C-clamp or piston tool. Fit new pads, apply high-temperature grease to contact points, reinstall the caliper, torque bolts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.